Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video we are talking about IKEA, and more specifically I'm going to answer a question that I've gotten a lot recently, and that is, how do you check your IKEA gift card balance? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check your IKEA gift card balance? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you have one laying around the house, but you're not sure exactly how much money's left on your IKEA gift card. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the IKEA website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But right off the back, I want to let you know, if you are looking for your IKEA gift card balance, you do need to be careful about the websites you visit, because there are a lot of scam websites that are set up to look exactly like the IKEA website. However, they are only there to steal your IKEA gift card balance, and the easiest way to prevent that is on your IKEA gift card, you want to flip it over, and on the bottom in small print, you will be able to see the actual website you need to visit. It's going to be this one, ikea.com. Well, it's kind of a long one, so check my video description. I'll try to just leave a quick link there. However, once you are here on this website, if you want to check your IKEA gift card balance, you need to scroll down to the bottom here. Now, in my experience on this website, when you're checking your IKEA gift card balance, it's a little buggy. So you're going to see this line right here called gift card. It has a little blue arrow. However, if you don't see it there, you need to refresh your browser maybe once or twice, and it should appear. I'm not sure why it does that. So once you're here in this section, you do need to enter in the 13-digit IKEA gift card right here. Oftentimes the gift card number is covered with like a metallic paste, so you need to scratch that off. Make sure you don't scratch too hard, because a few people have messaged me and let me know they scratched off one of the numbers or they disfigured one of the numbers, so they're not able to read it. If that's the case, then you cannot check your IKEA gift card balance online. You do need to go into a location. Also, this is pretty new, but it looks like they do require you to log into your IKEA account in order to check the balance of your gift card. So once you've done that, you want to click on this blue arrow, and then you will be able to see your IKEA gift card balance. So there you have it guys. If you're looking for information on how to check the balance on your IKEA gift card, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.